You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
So here's what's happening in the world of oil. The OPEC Plus alliance, that's the group of major oil exporting countries, including members of OPEC and key partners like Russia, has decided to make a small but notable adjustment to its oil production. Starting in November, the group will raise output by about 137,000 barrels per day. Interestingly, that's the same amount they already increased for October, so it's part of a gradual and cautious pattern rather than a dramatic shift. This decision came after a virtual meeting held on Sunday, and it reflects what the group describes as a steady global economic outlook and healthy market fundamentals. In other words, the global economy seems stable enough right now to handle a bit more oil supply without putting too much pressure on prices. However, OPEC Plus also made it clear that these production changes could be paused or even reversed if market conditions start to look uncertain again. They're keeping their options open, a careful balancing act between supporting global supply and protecting oil prices. Now, to understand why this matters, it helps to remember that OPEC Plus had previously made deep production cuts throughout 2023 and 2024. Those cuts were aimed at stabilizing the market after price fluctuations and a shaky post-pandemic recovery. This year, though, they've been slowly increasing output in small steps, a sign that confidence is gradually returning to the energy sector. Saudi Arabia continues to play a dominant role within the alliance as the largest OPEC producer, while Russia leads the non-OPEC members. Alongside them are other influential producers like Iraq, the United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Kazakhstan, Algeria, and Oman. Together, this 22-country coalition wields significant power in shaping global oil supply and, by extension, influencing prices at the pump for consumers around the world. The next OPEC Plus meeting is already on the calendar for November 2nd, and markets will be watching closely. Any hints of further production adjustments could ripple through global oil prices, especially as the year winds down and energy demand patterns shift with the seasons. So in short, OPEC Plus is playing it safe. They're signaling cautious optimism about the world economy, adding just enough oil to keep things balanced without tipping the market too far. It's a reminder that even a change of a few thousand barrels a day can send powerful signals about where global energy policy and the broader economy might be headed next. Stay subscribed for more videos.